Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing very well. Today in this video, I'll explain some paragraph of third chapter, Taro's Reward. So before watching this video, put your book in front of you, then watch this video. Now, let's begin this chapter. So look at the paragraph before you read. This is a story about a thoughtful and loving son. He works hard to fulfill his parents' wishes and gets some unexpected help. So as I told you in the summary that this story is about a boy who was a woodcutter whose name is Taro. He is very thoughtful, it means very caring and loving nature. He was very hardworking and always try to fulfill his parents' wishes and needs at his level best. And while trying to fulfill his parents' wishes and needs, he got some unexpected help. Now look at the paragraph number first. A young woodcutter named Taro lived with his mother and father on a lonely hillside. All day long, he chopped wood in the forest. Though he worked very hard, he earned very little money. This made him sad, for he was a thoughtful son and wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. So as I told you, once there was a boy, a young woodcutter, whose name was Taro. He lived with his parents alone in a separate hillside. He used to cut wood in the forest. This was only the means by which he earned money. Taro was very hardworking, but in spite of being hardworking, he earned very little money. That was not sufficient for his family, and he could not fulfill all his parents' wishes and needs. Because of this, he was very sad and worried, as he earned very little money in spite of doing all hard work. Now come to the second paragraph. One evening, when Taro and his parents were sitting in a corner of their hut, a strong wind began to blow. It whistled through the cracks of the hut, and everyone felt very cold. Suddenly, Taro's father said, "I wish I had a cup of sake. It would warm me and do my old heart good." So what happened? One evening, when Taro was sitting in his house with his parents, suddenly very strong and cold wind started blowing and entered the home through the cracks. Cracks means narrow gaps of the hut, and because of that cold wind, everyone in the home felt cold. Taro's father was also feeling cold. Then he said, "I wish I had a cup of sake." Sake, as I told you in the summary, that it's a Japanese alcoholic drink. They drink it to warm themselves. That's why Taro's father also wished to drink sake to warm himself. Now look at paragraph number 3. This made Taro sadder than ever, for the heart-warming drink called sake was very expensive. How do I earn more money? He asked himself. How do I get a little sake for my poor old father? He decided to work harder than before. So when Taro heard the wish of his father, that was to have sake, he became more sad, because that drink sake was very costly and expensive, and he was not able to buy it due to the lack of money. So he was so worried and started thinking to earn more money to buy sake for his old father. So he decided to work more harder to get extra money so that he can buy the expensive sake for his old poor father. Now come to the fourth paragraph. Next morning, Taro jumped out of bed earlier than usual and made his way to the forest. He chopped and cut as the sun climbed, and soon he was so warm that he had to take off his jacket. His mouth was dry and his face was wet with sweat. My poor old father, he thought, if only he was as warm as I. And with that he began to chop even faster, thinking of extra money he must earn to buy the sake to warm the old man's bones. So as Taro decided to work harder to earn extra money, he got up early in the morning and went to the forest and started cutting the wood. He was continuously cutting the wood until the sun appeared and climbed up high with heat. So because of the hot sunshine, Taro felt warm and took off his jacket. He was thirsty, his mouth was dry, and his face was covered with sweat. It means sweat was flowing on his face because he was working hard in the hot sunshine. So while cutting the woods, he felt warm because of the heat of the sun. He started thinking about his father, who was old and feeling cold. So he imagined how good it would be if my father felt warm just like as I am feeling right now. So with this kind of imagination about his father, he started working more faster to get extra money to buy the sake for his father, so that so that his father could feel warm and better by drinking sake. So this is your today's lesson. I hope you have understood it very well. Thank you very much for watching this video.